So this is toboggan dry sledding, and we're gonna go off a jump.
I was here last time.
It's about 20 feet.
My eyes are green. You had your fill of me. You sat